A beautiful day, a Mustang day. Ford Mustang, practical enough for this family of 5, yet beautiful enough to be honored with the Tiffany Gold Medal for Excellence in American Design. And Mustang has many luxury features as standard equipment, including luxurious bucket seats and rich vinyl upholstery, full wheel covers, padded instrument panel, and wall-to-wall carpeting. There's room for a whole family and an unexpectedly spacious trunk. But the happiest news is Mustang's unexpected price. Only $2,368 FOB Detroit. And with a wide choice of options, Mustang is excitingly versatile. It's designed to be designed by you. This is Mustang, an exciting new breed of car. See it at your Ford dealers now. Make your every day an unexpectedly beautiful day with Mustang.
Meet Mustang, the Ford Mustang, a completely new breed of car. So beautiful, Tiffany & Company awarded it this Gold Medal Award for Excellence in American Design. And the price? Just $2,368 FOB Detroit. And that price includes features that are only available at extra cost in many other cars. Elegant features like bucket seats, vinyl upholstery, deep pile carpeting, padded instrument panel, full wheel covers. Standard, too, is Mustang's interior spaciousness, its extremely wide door openings, curved side window glass for increased shoulder room. Mustang is also excitingly versatile with a wide choice of options. A console, 3-speed cruise-o-matic transmission, and even air conditioning. Discover the unexpected hardtop or soft-top Mustang, now at your Ford dealers.
Introducing the unexpected, the new Ford Mustang. Mustang, a brilliant new kind of car, a new generation of Fords. Mustang, with a beauty so unexpected, it has been honored by Tiffany & Company with this gold medal. Never before has Tiffany given an award to any automobile. Never until Mustang. And yet the price? An unexpected $2,368 FOB Detroit. And we're not fooling about that price. Because for $2,368, you get features that cost extra in many other cars. Luxurious bucket seats, heavy vinyl upholstery, thick carpeting, padded instrument panel, and handsomely designed full wheel covers. All are standard in Mustang. And with an exciting list of options, you can make your Mustang even more luxurious or more of a sports performer. See the unexpected, the new Ford Mustang at your Ford dealers now. Mustang, a brilliant new breed of car. Tiffany & Company, for generations a symbol of beauty and elegance. Now Tiffany, who never before honored any automobile, has honored the Ford Mustang with this Gold Medal Award for excellence in American design. Mustang, excitingly versatile, unexpectedly practical, with a wide list of options to make it even more luxurious or give it even more sports car performance. This is Mustang, an unexpected car at an unexpected price. Only $2,368 FOB Detroit. And that includes luxury features that are available only at extra cost in many other cars. See the unexpected. The new Ford Mustang, now at your Ford dealers. Dawn greets the unexpected from Ford. Mustang with the look of the great European road cars. Mustang, the first automobile ever to be honored with Tiffany & Company's Gold Medal Award for excellence in American design. Mustang at the unexpected price of $2,368 FOB Detroit. This includes luxury features either not available or available only at extra cost in most other makes of cars. Deep foam bucket seats, a padded instrument panel, wall-to-wall carpeting, all vinyl upholstery, and full wheel covers. All this is standard Mustang, unexpectedly low-priced, versatile, practical, and spacious. Mustang seats 4. Drive the Mustang, some dawn of your own choosing. Mustang, the bright new shape of total performance. The car everyone went wild for overnight. Mustang takes to your kind of action with all the V8 friskiness you can order. When you say move, it moves. You're in charge all the way. Mustang tracks sure-footed up to the high country and out to the far horizon. This is the new sports car spirit. A new breed of liveliness. The most exciting new car in a generation. The four-seater that moves away from everything else on the road. Discover all the thunder you can get at an unexpected low price. Mustang at your Ford dealers now.
Decisions, decisions, decisions. Ah, but what a great decision. Mustang from Ford. Designed to be designed by you. You get 3 wonderful choices, starting with this Mustang hardtop. It's as practical as it is economical, as it is beautiful, as it is, well, this Mustang starts with standard features most cars charge extra for. Try a hot-blooded Mustang convertible with a grab bag of options, a 289 cubic inch V8, add 4 on the floor, a rally pack, and you're in business. But did you say you'd rather go formal? Then design your Mustang as posh as you like, with a vinyl-covered roof or dozens of other luxury options. Today, design your Mustang any way you like. It's unexpectedly low-priced, and besides, it pays to be different.
Ford has changed in every way. Ford never stops progressing, never stops searching for and finding new ways to produce better products. Take Ford's high-quality steel. Ford, first auto manufacturer to make its own steel, recently installed this multi-million-dollar steel-making facility at the Rouge. It houses 2 basic oxygen steel-making vessels, 2 of the world's most advanced pieces of equipment. It still takes plenty of muscle to make steel, but it's muscle used differently. Modern technology makes it possible to produce the same amount of steel in 1 hour that used to take 8 hours. In every way, Ford has changed. From producing the finest steel to forming this steel into the unexpected, the exciting new Ford Mustang. See for yourself how much Ford has changed. Try the new Ford Mustang at your Ford dealers.